midnight observations at Yakima. Skies were clear. Temperature 53 degrees, dew point 26, and relative humidity 35%. Wind northwest at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 30. Pressure 29.96 inches and rising. At Ellensburg, it was clear. Temperature was 48 degrees, dew point 34, and relative humidity 58%. Wind northwest at 28 miles an hour, gusting to 41, producing a wind chill of 40. Pressure 29.98 inches and rising. 0.01 inches of rain fell during the past hour. At Parker, temperature was 53 degrees, wind south at 12 miles an hour. At Zilla, temperature was 52 degrees, wind east at 5 miles an hour. At Mabton, temperature was 53 degrees. At White Swan, temperature was 51 degrees, dew point 25, and relative humidity 36%. It was 41 at Sadus Pass and 33 at Dwight Pass. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 37 at Stampede Pass and 48 at Spokane. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 49 at Seattle, 54 at Dallas, and 51 at Portland. It was clear, with a temperature of 41 at Moses Lake.
This is Noaa Weather in Pendleton, broadcasting from KIG 75 in Yakima. The current time is 12:49 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
For the following areas: Kittitas Valley, issued at 8:53 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Friday, October 23rd. A wind advisory remains in effect until 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Saturday. Northwest winds between 30 and 39 miles per hour, with gusts to 50 miles per hour, will be possible in the Kittitas Valley tonight. Precautionary preparedness actions. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds are forecast between 30 and 39 miles per hour, or gusts ranging from 46 to 57 miles per hour. Winds of these magnitudes can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Minor property damage may also occur. For additional weather information, check our website at www.weather.gov/Pendleton.